Okay, so we've come to the end of our weekend. Absolutely gutted it's over. It's been a lovely weekend, and I thought I'd show you a slower tour of the caravan. To leave, you need to have the caravan spotless, which we've done. As you can see, we've got a nice sofa there that's supposed to flip round into a sofa bed. I'm not sure how. We've got a dishwasher, we've got a microwave, we've got a coffee pot, we've got a hob. You don't have an oven in here, but which can be a bit of an issue. It's been a bit of an issue for us, for the children. In our cupboards, we've got a lot of everything. We've got large mugs and small mugs. We've got lots of bowls and plates. As I say, with the 4 bedrooms and that sofa bed, you're supposed to actually fit a lot of people in here. You've got loads of cutlery, so you don't need to bring any of that. We've got loads of saucepans and a frying pan that was good without oil, so you don't need to bring any of that. And more glass dishes. So really well stocked. We've got a fridge freezer that's quite a good size, but again, you don't have a cooker, so you don't want to buy anything too much. There you go. And then we've got our boiler cupboard with a broom. We go onto the first toilet. And then our bedroom. So you've got 2 lights at the headboard. You've got a hanging space over there with 2 cupboards. And then you've got the space up here. We've also got a heater, which we've used just to keep the caravan warm for when we get back, because it's been a bit chilly. Then we've got our 2 beds in this bedroom. Again, shelving space up there. And then over here, you've got the hanging space and a little shelf up there. Also a little hanger on the wall. We've got this in the hallway, which is a nice cupboard with space underneath where we put our suitcase. And the first shower room, really nice shower, really hot, nice sink. And as you can see, it's all spotless now, ready for the next people. We have seen the cleaners coming around the site though, so it does get cleaned. We've got 4 chairs and then another 4 over there, and this table extends. And then finally, the other end of the caravan, we've got again a really nice shower room. The boys' room, which is the 2 single beds with the storage, and exactly the same as the other room, another storage space there. Another double room. That's what I love about this. You can bring 2 sets of adults and 4 kids, which is lovely. Hanging space again. And then finally, the extra toilet. It does come with aircon, which has been brilliant. We've actually had it on heat rather than aircon, and there is a fire alarm in here for safety. And then finally, we have got the decking, which is a table with 8 chairs, completely covered, but the cover can go up if it's really warm, and you've got your clothes horse. But the size of the decking is actually really decent. If you've got little ones with their toys, perfect. We've had a great time, and on to Calais now for the day.